Good morning everyone, this is Mariam Khan from grade 5. I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Monday and today's date is 14 July 2025. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Purvi Khabani from grade 5. Every Monday we observe a motivational Monday. So on the behalf of it, I would like to share a motivating thought. The thought is great discoveries and improvements invariably involve the cooperation of many minds. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Shraddha Olympiad from grade 5.
I am Samar Take from grade 5.
My name is Shraddha from grade 5. This is Manish from grade 5.
I am Swarup from grade 5.
Today we are going to tell you importance of the day. Today was the day in history when gold was discovered in Helena, capital of the US state of Montana.
Now you all might be wondering that where is Helena? Helena is the capital city of Montana, a state in northwestern United States. It was founded in 1864 during the time of gold rush.
The gold was discovered in Helena at Last Chance Gulch in 4 miners. They found gold on July 14, 1864. This started a gold rush.
The question comes, what happened to Helena after the gold was found? Helena became very rich. It had many more millionaires per person and any other USA at one time. In 1875, it became the capital of Montana.
Now, I would like to share some fun facts. Helena's nickname was Queen City of the Rockies. The gold rush helped to build railroads, schools, and buildings. The miners who found gold were the 4 Georgians.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that learn from history and respect the stories of the past.
Value teamwork and great things happen when we work together.
May we all learn from the past, shine in the present,
And build a future as bright as gold. Thank you.